Today we're going to be going over how to manage internships and jobs on VogueFit.com. To manage jobs and internships, begin by clicking on your organization from your dashboard. Once on your organization's homepage, click Manage Jobs. This is the Manage Jobs homepage. You may see some jobs listed for your organization already. These are auto-populated from the Discovery Job Bank. You can toggle between Show DJB Jobs and Hide DJB Jobs by clicking the green button. To add a new internship or job, click Add Internship or Job on the left side of the screen. You'll be brought to this page, and here you will fill out the sections on this page with details about the job/internship. If your organization has multiple sites, make sure the job or internship is added to the correct site. After this, you will select a general category for the job. And then after you do this, you will select the ONET-SOCH code description for the job. After you find one for this, you will then write a description of the job, maybe a little bit more detailed than I am doing here. And then after you're done writing that description, you are going to move the sliders for hours per week and wage per hour to set those minimum and maximum values for that. After that, you're going to fill out the final few questions, make sure all your information is correct, and then after you do that, you will go ahead and click that red Add button at the bottom of the screen. I'm just going back, checking everything to make sure it's good, and then I'm going to click that red Add button. And you will get this message. Next, we are going to go over how to complete an internship or job assessment. You are going to start by finding the job you want to assess. We are going to assess the job that I just created, but I'm going back here to show you how to find it. A job or internship assessment must be completed to finish the job profile, and you can search for specific jobs by name, site, the year the job was created, or the job category. So I've gone ahead and found mine, and this assessment should be completed by someone who knows the required skills for the job. And then to go ahead and run an internship or job assessment, you're going to locate that job that you want to assess and click that red Details button. This is the jobs page, and we will be focusing on the internship or job assessment, but you can also email the assessment to someone else to complete. Complete the assessment now on VogueFit.com or download a PDF of the assessment to print and complete offline. If you're ready to fill out the assessment, select Complete Internship or Job Assessment now. You will see this screen. If you have created a test job and are practicing the assessment, select No and click Next. If you are actually completing the assessment about a real job, you are going to select Yes and click Next. This is not a real job. I created it for the purposes of this tutorial, so we're doing No, clicking Next. If this is your first time filling out an assessment for a job, you'll see this page. Fill out your information on this page and click Next. If you have filled out assessments before, you will not see this page. Note that the header says Student, Intern, Worker Assessment, but you are actually the one assessing the job, so you want to put your information in here. After you're done with that, you'll be brought to this page, and this is the assessment itself, and you're going to read the questions on the left side and mark whether the job has high, some, or low demand for that particular skill. Rate the job demands based on your observations or experience with the job. Once you are done with this page, you are going to select Next after rating the job demands for each question, and there's quite a few pages for this. And I am going to skip over them and straight to our last page to show you how the red next button will change to a red submit button. And then after you're done filling out this final page, you will click that red submit button. You will get this note that it has been updated successfully. You can start an assessment and complete it at a later time, but we recommend completing it in one sitting. If you start an assessment by accident and do not finish it, exit by clicking on the dashboard button. And then on your dashboard, you should see options to either complete or delete the assessment. Once the assessment has been completed, it cannot be deleted. Next, we are going to be going over how to email an internship or job assessment request. You may want someone else to complete the internship or job assessment, and you could ask someone who knows the internship or job better. To start, click Email Internship or Job Assessment Request on the left side of the screen. On this page, you are going to fill in the information and click Send Request. You are going to enter the email of the person who will be completing the assessment, and you may want to enter some instructions for this person on how to complete the assessment or other information specific to your organization. As a note, after you click the red Send Request button, they will receive this request via email from admin@vogefit.com. As another note, you cannot delete an assessment request sent to another person. Please ask the person to not complete the assessment if a mistake occurred. After you're done filling out everything on this page, you're going to click that red Send Request button. And you will get this message that it has been sent successfully, and you can also edit or archive jobs. You can edit the job's basic information by clicking Edit Internship or Job on the left side of the page. And then once you get onto this page, you update any information that you need changed about this job. And after you're done with that, you click Update and you get this message. You can also delete an internship or job and its data. To do so, click the Archive Internship or Job button. Only do this if the job is no longer relevant to your organization and you no longer need access to its assessments and reports. If you do not need to access it, click the button, click OK, and it will be removed.